All right, everybody, we are at our hotel. We're staying at the Drury Plaza Inn at Disney Springs off of Hotel Plaza Boulevard. I'm going to go ahead and do our room tour. All right, we're on the 10th floor. We do have a balcony with a theme park view of Epcot, so we'll be able to see fireworks tonight. As you come in, just to the right, there is a little closet area here. Got a few hangers. Does have an iron and an ironing board. Does also have the luggage rack there at the bottom, so you can set your suitcases up on it. We do have our suitcases stuck in the other side of the closet. Move on in, and there's your safe. You got a microwave. You got a refrigerator. We've already got some stuff in there from lunch. There's a little stool here and some storage. There is a coffee maker with some coffee already there, some cups. There's your ice bucket and some more cups. We already went to Gideon's today, so there's our Gideon's bags. Move on over, and you have this nice mirror with a hand towel, some soap, and there is more space underneath there if you want suitcases, or we have some water underneath there too. Turn around, and you have a barn door for the bathroom. You slide it open. Have a lighted mirror here in the bathroom. Got a nice vanity with a single sink, plenty of room to set your stuff up. Storage underneath, hair dryer, extra towels, trash can. Got towels there on the rack. Nice seashell picture. And here is the shower. It's got glass doors. You do have your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner in there. It's got a little seat here as well, so if you need to sit down, shave your legs or whatever, there's a nice seat right there for you as well. Got a couple of hooks to hang clothes on or towels when you're getting ready. Close that up. We'll move on into the bedroom. It is a 2 queens. Got a nice little nightstand in the middle. Already have my CPAP machine set up over there. So 2 queen beds. Over here on this side, you got a nice lamp, a little side table and a chair. Got our laptops there. A little desk area with a lamp, a phone. It does have the charger there. You got 2 plug-ins. You have a USB-A, USB-B, USB-C as well. That's my multi-USB charger. Got a nice desk chair that you can use to sit and do some work or editing or something of that nature. Got 3 drawers. These are very deep. So nice drawers, so if you want to pack your stuff away while you're here, unload all your luggage, you do have nice drawers, a nice lamp. Nice big TV hung on the wall there at the end of the beds, and another little chair. Here's another mirror. And out here's the balcony. It's going to be a little bright out here, but this is our balcony area. Got a couple of chairs, a table, a Kaylee.
Hi.
And if you look off in the distance there, I know the sun is a little bright. You can see the aerofoil balloon there at Disney Springs. See if I can zoom in any out there. Right over there, you can kind of see Epcot. See the ball sticking up over the top of the building. Off to the left of that, Swan and Dolphin. Looks like Guardians in front of Spaceship Earth there. At 9 o'clock tonight, we will be able to see the fireworks from Epcot, so we are looking forward to that. You look down here. Got a nice big swimming pool area. There are some people swimming in the pool down there. Nice thing about the Drury, it does have some enhancements when you book a room here. You do get breakfast included. They also do a brunch, and they do a dinner, buffet style dinner. So I think we're gonna take part in the buffet style dinner tonight, and then we're gonna head out to Character Warehouse possibly. But that is it for our room tour, and we will see y'all later.